Hey friends, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about 4 amazing side hustles for beginners that actually help me earn over $500 every single day. Now it goes without saying the side hustles do require a little bit of work, and a couple of these will require a little bit of time to get going, but if you really execute and put effort towards these, they can really have a big return for you in your income this year. So let's go ahead and dive into the very first side hustle here. I am really excited about this one. It has a massive payoff for what seems to be very little effort, something I've never really seen before. In fact, I was so skeptical, I decided I wanted to do it myself. I'm actually going to share with you my 2-month results right here in this video as well. This side hustle actually takes place on one of the biggest websites in the world, and that is Amazon. And this has been probably in front of your face the whole time, but you had no idea that people actually earn money doing this. This is really cool. So if you were to go to a product listing here on Amazon, there's a lot of things you typically look at. You'll look at the description, you'll read reviews, you'll look at the photos. But if you're like me, a lot of people, before they purchase a product, they want to go watch the videos. Now, when you actually open the videos, you may have some videos that are done by the actual sellers themselves. Then you'll see related videos. Now, these are people that have purchased the product and they have uploaded review videos. And if you check it out right here, I actually have the #1 review video for this product. If they click that and watch it and find it helpful, I can actually earn commissions if you watch this video, add it to your cart, and purchase. And Amazon will actually pay me out anywhere from 2 to 10% of the overall purchase, which is pretty cool. This is called the Amazon Influencer Program, where Amazon allows you to upload reviews of products that you purchased. You don't really have to buy them from Amazon. Some of the reviews I've done, I didn't buy them from Amazon, but they are listed on Amazon, which is pretty cool. And if anyone finds your videos helpful and they purchase, you can earn a commission anywhere from 2 to 10%. So I went ahead and tested the side hustle and I uploaded 30 videos. Now I did roughly 2-minute long videos for every single product. I recorded each and every video from my phone in a first person point of view. So I didn't show my face in any of these videos. I did 0 editing and I kept them all within 2 to 3 minutes long. So overall, I invested around 4 to 6 hours of my time, and I want to share with you my results now after 2 months. So as you can see here, I started doing this halfway through February, and I've gone through February, March, and halfway through April. And in my first 2 months, I've managed to make over $2,200 from literally 4 to 6 hours of work. That is blowing my mind. Now imagine if I took those 30 videos and I was uploading a simple review video every single day, where I went from 30 videos to 365 videos. You can really ramp up this commission. And I have some friends that are making over $20,000 a month from this side hustle alone. Massive potential and definitely something you should look into. Now the second side hustle is something I already use in my business, and it is mind-blowing how many people don't know this exists. With the rise of artificial intelligence and a lot of the tools that come with it, this is one that you can capitalize on to actually earn some income with, and let me show you exactly how it works. So there is this really cool AI tool called Enhance, and it's by Adobe Podcast. Now what this software can do is it can actually enhance the audio that you record. So earlier I went ahead and recorded this video with my cell phone outside. I used no fancy microphones. I did it during rush hour, so there's traffic going by, it's windy, and I want you to hear a sample of what this sounds like. So right now I'm outside in my backyard and it's rush hour. There are a bunch of cars driving by. It's windy out here, and I'm just recording this on my camera or on my phone. So no external microphone at all. So the audio on this isn't going to be that good. You could probably hear things going around in the background. So I'm going to show you real quick how to make this audio sound a lot better. So as you can tell, there's a lot of background noise there and it's just not the best audio. What we need to do first is we need to separate the sound from the video. So all I'm going to do is I'm using Final Cut Pro. You can use whatever free software. DaVinci Resolve is free, great software that you can do. And we're just going to go ahead and export the sound only. So once you've exported your audio, this shouldn't take very long. Audio files export pretty quick. Go ahead and drag and drop that into the section here, and Adobe Podcast is going to start enhancing the sound automatically for you. Now this can take a little bit of time. Now for a clip this short, it really only took a few seconds, but I've done this for entire YouTube videos that can take anywhere from about 4 to 10 minutes long for it to fully decode everything. So once you're here, you can actually hit play and notice the difference in the quality. So right now I'm outside in my backyard and it's rush hour. There are a bunch of cars driving by. It's windy out here and I'm just recording this on my camera or on my phone. All right, so if you actually are happy with the sound, then all you got to do is hit download and it'll download the new sampled AI version for you. So once we've downloaded our enhanced version, let's go ahead and add it back into our software. And we're going to go ahead and detach our audio and get rid of the original audio. And we're just going to make a compound clip here. And now you can see the improved quality. So right now I'm outside in my backyard and it's rush hour. There are a bunch of cars driving by. It's windy out here and I'm just recording this on my camera. That is absolutely wild. So we have not only created a clip with amazing audio, we have also blocked all of the traffic and the wind and all of the accessory noise that was included in there as well. So then we simply export this audio file. So how exactly do we make money doing this? Well, there's a lot of different places you can offer services like Fiverr, Upwork, you could go to Reddit, and a lot of people are gonna have issues with their sound. And if you literally take their tracks and put them into the software, you can not only give them a better podcasting sound, but maybe they have background noise that they're trying to get rid of, or humming or hissing in the background. You can actually offer these services on those platforms and charge anywhere from 25 to 50 bucks a piece. Now, if you really want to level up the game for this side hustle, you can actually create a social media like a TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and just do shorts showing how you can improve the audio. So show before and after, and actually offer your services there. So you can leave a link in your profile where people can click that link and either go to your Fiverr or your website and purchase your services to just help level up and get more clients. So the number 3 side hustle you can get started with is becoming an e-commerce seller. Now, if you're new here, this is actually my main income stream for me and my business. I do over $500,000 in sales with my passion product, cocktail cards. And real quick, I just want to run through how you can actually launch and create your very own product and which marketplaces are actually really, really good for you to sell on. So one of the very first steps that you're going to need to do if you have an awesome idea for a product or you need inspiration, you can actually head over to a website called Alibaba.com. This is a international website that gets you introduced to manufacturers and product creators, and you can actually scroll through and get inspiration. So for me, I did cocktail flashcards, and in order to find my product, I actually had to do searches for products that were similar to mine so I could reach out to manufacturers to see if they can make my product as well. So what I did is I would actually head over to Alibaba and I would just type flashcards. And I would actually scroll through here until I saw something similar that I wanted for my product. And if I actually find a design or something close to what I'm looking for, I can contact that supplier and ask them what it would cost to make this product that I want to make. So once you find a manufacturer, you're probably gonna have to do a little bit of design to your product as well. So you can actually go to Fiverr and Upwork and look up product designers that can actually help make your product look cool, but also the packaging of your product to help make that look good. And if you create this product, you can get samples from your manufacturer, so you can actually get a real working sample of your product. And a really cool hack for you if you don't have money up front is you can create a social media showing off your product. So once you order your product from your manufacturer, there are actually 2 different ways you can sell your product. So one, you can send them into places like Amazon or Walmart, where they will store your product, deal with all the transactions, the customer service, and ship your product out to the customer. And every time they fulfill a product out to a customer, they'll take their cut of the sale, and then whatever's left over, you can keep that as a profit. Now, when I first started, I actually had all the products shipped to my house. So my garage was literally a warehouse and I was shipping out orders myself. That allowed me to sell on websites like Shopify, Etsy, and a lot of additional places. Now, if you are someone who doesn't have a lot of money to invest in e-commerce, what's really cool is if you create a unique product, something that's brand new, which is what I did. I didn't copy other products. I was actually able to create a social media around the brand, around the product, and I did a Indiegogo campaign. So if you're not familiar with Kickstarter or Indiegogo, it allows you to raise money for your product and basically pre-sell your product before you have to pay to get it manufactured. Now, I leveraged TikTok and a lot of other social media platforms, and I was able to raise over $100,000 for the creation of cocktail cards. But a lot of the people that I work with, they've been able to raise typically anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 to launch their product. And in a lot of cases, that's probably more than enough money for you to start your e-commerce business. So the 4th side hustle that you can get started with is called affiliate marketing. Now, the way affiliate marketing works is basically you're selling someone else's product, and in return for you getting a sale for a business, they will pay you out a percentage of the overall sale. One of the biggest affiliates in the world is actually Amazon.com. And since I am an affiliate here, let me show you how easy it is and how it works. So you apply to become an affiliate for a program, and they'll typically give you special links. So let's say I wanted to promote this standing desk leg here. I can actually click this text link right here, and this special link will track for Amazon that I sent a customer to their website. And if the customer purchases this product, and actually any product within the next 24 hours, I'll actually get to keep a cut of that. Now, the world of affiliate programs is massive. Amazon's definitely the biggest platform, but selling products that are kind of lower commission like Amazon can be really tough for a beginner to really see any sort of noticeable income. You typically have to have a larger audience, a big blog, social media, a newsletter, something where you actually have eyeballs seeing your links for. Now, if you don't have a large audience, that's totally fine. What a lot of people like to do is promote high ticket products, especially digital products. Since digital products typically have pretty low overhead costs, they can offer pretty high commission rates for affiliates, anywhere from 40 to 50 to 60%. And if you promoted, say, a course or software, a lot of these programs will actually pay what are called MMR, monthly recurring revenue. So let's say you sold a membership software, like for instance, I promote Adobe products. If someone signs up for the Adobe monthly membership, I will get a percentage of that each and every month. And the more and more customers that I recommend to Adobe, the higher and higher my monthly payout becomes. So affiliate marketing can take a little bit of time to get going, but if you really invest the time and the effort, it can really pay off in the end. This is a pretty large portion of my income each and every month, and there are amazing tools and assets out there to help you get going. Social media like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all the short form content going around, it's easier and easier to reach a lot of people and help promote products that you really enjoy. So hopefully this video was helpful, gave you a lot of inspiration, maybe some ideas for you to go out and start your very own side hustle. If you're curious on how I started my business completely from scratch, I'll go ahead and leave that video right here that you can check out. But until next time, we'll see you soon. Cheers.